Hey, what's up, guys? 2013 Corolla. This is how to do the rear taillight bulb and the housing. If you want to do the housing, first come over here in the trunk, get these black clips out. If you have something like this, like a little pry bar tool, you can probably use a flathead or like just some pliers. Just pull these out. They pull out. They look like this. Don't lose them. You're going to need them. Go ahead and pull this top one out. Alright, we'll set these aside. Don't lose those. Then you can pull this fabric back, and the fabric is pretty flexible. You can pull it back quite a bit. Now we're going to come over here and remove this connector. So twist it to the left and then pull it out. Don't pull it by the wires, pull it by the brown connector, and this is how you would replace your bulb. You would just wiggle your bulb out. It comes apart like this. If yours is burnt like mine is, then it might be a little tough, but you can get it out. Just don't smash the bulb in your fingers. Don't pull it by the wires. These are infamous for having wire problems that back out of the connector. Look at the number on your bulb, and then you could go match it up at a parts store or wherever, and then put your new one in. Now I'm going to show you how to get the housing out. Let's take these wire guides off the studs here. These just pull right off. And again, we're moving to replacing the whole housing unit now. So just pull these wire guards off these studs, and then we're going to get these 10mm nuts off. These 10mm nuts is what's holding the outer taillight assembly to the car. So go ahead and get these off. Don't lose these nuts. Just go ahead and undo them. Alright, we'll set these in a safe spot because we're going to need them again. Now you could unplug this. This is like the power supply for all the bulbs, so definitely disconnect that. Now when you pull it out, you're going to wiggle it out and pull it towards yourself. It'll be kind of weird. You got to pull it out, but it'll eventually come out. Just be gentle with it. Wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it until it comes out. Here's my new one. This is a replacement from Toyota. You could probably get it aftermarket. Toyota one's probably more expensive. It comes with all the wires and the bulbs already. An aftermarket one may as well, but this one definitely does. If not, you have to switch over the wires. Alright, so what we're going to do is just basically put this right back in, follow the studs, get them all lined up, and then gently push this in place, just like this. Alright, and then you could put the nuts on these studs to hold it in place. So I'm going to go ahead and put mine on. I'm not going to force you to watch me do it. See, I got them started, and then when you tighten them, don't tighten one all the way down at a time. Just go in like a couple circles and do it kind of snug on all of them, and then tighten all of them down so it's not uneven or nothing. Once these are on, let's go ahead and plug this back in. Alright, that you should hear it clip or pop. And then we'll get our wire harness guides back on their studs. Just how everything was when we first looked at it. Now is a good time to test it out. As you can see, it's working. So I'm going to go ahead and put it all back together. Push this fabric back. And this fabric should naturally want to go back into the form that it was. Once you have it all lined up and looking good, just put these in. And that's it, guys. So I hope this video helped you.